The significance of satsang. Satsang means being in the company of good people, inspiring discourses and discussions. You should always try to be in the company of such people who protect you from evils and wrongs, who can induce hope even in the moments of despair and offer you encouraging support in adverse circumstances. It is easy to get the sycophants or selfish friends around who would just be friends when they need something from you. They need not be your well-wishers and might even pull you in the rut of addictions, ego and avarice. They won't hesitate in stepping you on your back if it suits their vested interests. You may find it difficult to find wise men who would be your guides, who would be your critics on your face to correct your flaws and advise you righteously, who would warn you of the dangers or risks well in time. People often prefer the company of elite. We should know that the best company is that of the enlightened personalities, the elevated souls. Having true friends, though few in numbers, is a sign of wisdom. Noble friendship is quite significant in the ascent of life in many respects. It is foolish to make enemies, but worse is to leave the friendship of good people. Pure intellect and faith in sincere efforts with assiduity are the two key elements essential for transmutation of personality. Adoption of virtues transforms the bad, debased ones into great personalities. On the contrary, vices could decline and debauch the great ones into mean, inferior, scornful levels. So your friends should be those who inspire the virtues and uproot the vices. You may also begin on your own by cultivating good qualities like constructive use of time, alertness, sincerity, and perseverance. Small steps in the prudent direction lead to brighter goals. Akhanda Jyoti, April 1942.
हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें।